Okay guys, so in 5-minute league marble runs, but anyway, 5-minute league marble runs is canceled. I recorded all the scenes this morning, but I decided I'm too lazy, so white marble was eliminated. No, white marble won actually. So now let's review our new contestants. What? Yep, this is weekly marble runs, which means the series will be weekly. Why am I keep on doing that? Anyway, let's go. And yes, I know that marble run is unfair because there's no way for marbles to surpass each other. But whatever. This marble is eliminated. But yeah, I'll put everyone else in here because like eventually there's gonna be an all-star season. So yeah. So yeah, here's our final four, I guess. So yeah, bye. See you next week.